Hi everyone, I'm Jamil here, and today in this video, in this program, we're gonna show you how to upload your video on the YouTube channel. In our previous two videos, we teach you how to create a YouTube channel, and in other videos, we show you how to customize YouTube channel really well. In this video, we're going to particularly guide you, teach you, elaborate you how to upload the video on YouTube channel, because this is really an important concept to upload a video, because most of people think that this is not a difficult task to upload the video. Definitely this is not a difficult task to upload the video, but this is really important what type of the video you are uploading, what is the times to upload the video, and what is the different step-by-step process to upload the video. Because definitely if the presentation of your video will be really good, if your thumbnail will be really good, and with that, if you will describe yourself about that video, definitely there's two different options here. One is when the presentation of your video is really good and description will be related to your particular content. One is in the Google search engine, your video will be rotated really well, and other is people who have interest to the content to particular video, they'll watch your video really well, and you will be able to get more watch time. That is really necessary, as we told you in our previous video. And what is the timeline and tagging, and how to display other videos on your video, and what are the cards insert in the video, because these things is really necessary. Your one video uploading doesn't mean that you're going to show your one video. This means that you are going to explore your one video, and with that you're going to paste your other video on your video, so that from this video people get a referral of your other video, and through inserting the different card of different video, you will be able to get more attention of your other videos. And in the tagging is really important when you upload the video, because through this tagging you will be able to get more views, more search, and more rotation of your videos in the YouTube channel. So in this video we'll particularly show you how to upload the video and what the important step you need to take it while. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for new updates. In this video, we're gonna show you how to upload a video, what is the best time to upload the video, and how to upload or create the thumbnail, what sort of the content you need to upload it so that you get more public attention. In our prior two video, we told you about how to create a professional YouTube channel, and in the second video, we told you, we share best idea with you about how to get more public attention on the YouTube, and how to get more watch time on the YouTube. And today we particularly going to tell you how to upload a video on the YouTube, because some people think it's a really easy task to upload the video, but ultimately this is really a difficult stuff, because here if you upload your video really well, I mean your description and other related things are really good, then you can get more public attention instantly. Otherwise, if your video in the start not get more public attention, definitely later on it become really difficult to spread your videos to ultimate a lot of people. So here we're going to show you how to upload a video. So once you create your channel, and you also have customized your channel, the third important vital thing is to upload the video. So see, here is your photo, and here is other three options. So you just need to click on this option, create, and here propped on the three options. One is upload the video, second is to go live, and third is to create post. So we'll discuss later about go live and create post. Today we're going to discuss about how to upload a video. So once you will click on this button, here show you different other option, and once you upload the video, and after that, so click on this select file, and after that you can upload any sort of the video if you want it. For example, you have select this video and it asks you the title. So title should be very good and title should be little unique, because if you select the title that already 50, 100 or more people already have selected or uploaded, definitely it will be really difficult to access your video, because their video is already get more public attention. So here you need to see the title. So here are different really good website from where you can properly find the title. So for example, here this video title is how to run YouTube ad. So here is description. So description should be really unique and good, in which you need to present, you need to explore about your video. I mean, what are you going to show you, what are you going to share you, what are you going to teach to the public. For example, here I'm gonna write something here in this video. Mian Jamil Ahmed sharing best ideas how to upload. And here you can also write some hashtag. So if you want to know about hashtag, I also particularly have uploaded video about the hashtag, how hashtag play a vital roles to get more views on the YouTube. So here you need to press on the shift key and the third number button on your keyboard, and here you can write it YouTube and space, and again shift and number 3 button on the keyboard, and it's end. Okay, after that the thumbnail is really important, and with the help of the thumbnail you can get more public attention, because if your thumbnail is really attractive, definitely a lot of people will be click on your video, and this will be really helpful for you to get more attention. So you will just click on this button, and after that it'll ask you to upload the thumbnail. For example, this is for the tutorial purpose. So here your thumbnail should be really good, and it should be really clear, and it should be in that way that get more public attention. So after that, here is the playlist. So there's a 2 option, new playlist, and you want to upload in already playlist. So if you want to create a new playlist, just click on this new playlist create button and done. And if you want to add in any of it, you can do it. So click on this done button, and after that this video is for kid, for not kids. So here you also need to know about, because YouTube is really concerned if your video is about the kid, you need to select yes, this made for kid, otherwise not for this kid. You particularly need to select this option, and after that more other option, you should click on the more other option. Here is the tag is something really good, because with the help of the tag your video get more public attention. Tag is about different topic you need to insert here, so that if people try to look through the YouTube different topics, and your video come in front of them, and they can watch your video, like how to add Google ad, and what is the Google ad procedure, and what is the Google ad procedure in 2020, how to get the reward in the Google ad. So these sort of the tag you need to upload it. There are really some famous site where you can create your tag if you want it. So after that you need to select the language that is in your video. Is it English, is it Urdu, is it other language? So just click on this button, and from here you can select the language which you wanted. Recording date, if you want to select it, you can select. And after that, category of your channel is education, home style, entertainment, comedy, people, blog, gaming, travel. You can select it any you wanted. And here is the visibility. So visibility is you can select anything you wanted, and after that just click on this next button. And if you want to add some ad screen and ad card, so I want to share you some difference between end screen and end card. End screen is you reflect your other video on your screen, so that once your video ends, after that people can click on your other videos and they can watch it. This is really important. And end card is when your video is playing in that certain a particular time, they reflect you, yet they advertise your other videos in your video that people are watching it. So you need to select these two options because this is really important. Just click on this button, and here I'll show you your previous playlist, your previous ad. If you want to add something, just click on this plus button, and after that it show you the option how to add it, video, playlist, subscribe, channel link. And if you want to add the previous one, you can select it, just click on the save button, and after that end card. So in the end card option, here in video show you, just click on this video button, and through this cursor you can select any time you want it. For example, any video you want to select it, for example this video, and after that you just forward your cursor and again click on this end card button, and after that you can do it. So once you will do all that, after that your video will be uploaded. And once your video will be uploaded, after that just go on this video button, and you can add it and modify anytime you want it. And once you did it, after that you can change anything you wanted. So if you guys not subscribe channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon button so that every latest update come to you first. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.